a major battlefield shift is now visible. The MIM-104 Patriot, long seen as the West's shield, has suffered a sharp drop in effectiveness in the SVO zone. According to the European Commission, interception rates that once stood near 40% are now significantly lower.
Ukrainians, they calculated that last year they faced 2,000 missile attacks from Russian side. 900 of them were ballistic missiles. To fight ballistic missiles, Ukrainians usually use, Patriot systems. Some Ts, they have several of them, but not such a big, amount.
The reason is tactical evolution. Russian forces have upgraded their ballistic missiles, enabling mid-course and terminal trajectory changes. These unpredictable paths are complicating interception calculations, reducing the success rate of Patriot systems. The shift highlights how rapidly battlefield technologies are adapting under sustained conflict pressure.
Now, in Patriot system, at the very beginning of last year, effectiveness was around 40%, but Russians managed to modernize their ballistic missiles. Now they're able to change the trajectory, effectiveness went down.
At the center of this transformation are systems like the Iskander-M and advanced strike platforms capable of maneuvering in their final phase. This evolution challenges traditional air defense logic, where fixed trajectories once allowed reliable interception. That predictability is now being steadily eroded.
It means that, in order to shoot one ballistic missile, Russian ballistic missile, you need to use 2 or 3 even, so-called PAC-3 missiles or Patriot missiles. So Ukrainians need around of 2,000 or even maybe more annually of Patriot missiles.
The impact is becoming visible across the conflict zone. Reduced interception rates are allowing more incoming threats to penetrate defensive layers. This development underscores a growing gap between offensive missile innovation and existing defensive capabilities, as highlighted in assessments attributed to European and Western officials. For NATO-aligned systems, this is a moment of reassessment. The Patriot platform remains advanced, but evolving threats are testing its limits in real-time conditions. The changing dynamics signal a broader challenge for air defense strategies that rely on intercepting high-speed, maneuvering ballistic targets. As the conflict continues, the focus now shifts to adaptation. The reported decline in effectiveness, as acknowledged by the European Commission, highlights the pace of technological competition on the battlefield. The outcome will depend on how quickly defensive systems can respond to these new and complex aerial threats.
Now, in Gulf, I saw New York Times publication that during the first 5 days, both Gulf countries and Americans used 800 Patriot missiles. The whole production at the moment in the United States, from public sources, you can have this number, is 750 per year. So arithmetic speaks very, very clearly. We need to develop our own, missile production.